Hi everyone, today in this video I will be sharing how we are going to set up the aquarium in our house. So very soon we had recently been, all those details is there in this blog, how we selected aquarium and what are the fish and everything will be shown in this video. So stay tuned till the end. Now I'm waiting for the person to come and install. So where we got this aquarium and fishes and why we selected especially this particular vendor, all those details will be shared in this video. Stay tuned till the end. I'll show the complete details what all I did it. So let's start the video. Hey all, this is an after 1 year review. So this I got it in 14 September 2022. So now it is 15 September 2023. After a year I'm sharing this review in my channel. So I've got this complete aquarium cum fish and all the accessories from Nanditha. So this is the number and details that you can contact if you are interested. This is a non-sponsor video. After been using I have aquarium for a year, I'm sharing an update. So sir and his assistant had come home for installing. Is a very sweet person with a lot of knowledge about aquariums and fishes. I'll show the before and after our parrot fishes as well. So this is a 3 feet tank. Molded tank comes with 3 types of LEDs and the top filter and the cabinet below where you can store all your accessories that you require for your fish tank. Price I will not be able to, because it's a year, there would be a lot of difference. So you can contact sir on the top number and you can speak to him, and details are in description box, like Google Map and other details also there in the description box, where you can reach him offline or online to get the details on this aquarium and fishes. So this is how the tank and the cabinet looks like, and we will see how they are going to set up. We are doing just a simple sand setup for the starting. For this after a year we are planning to change a setup that also I'll share in the further videos. So let's get in and see how things are going to look like. If you are watching me for the first time, I make videos on traveling, shopping and pets and gardening. So if you like anything in my channel, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and stay connected with me. So without further any ado, we'll get into the video and see how things looks like, and let's enjoy the setting up of the aquarium. So we have got basic accessories of some of the plants and the pot, because parrot fishes are little shy kind of fishes. They like to hide themselves. They enjoy that. And this is the background of the aquarium. So here what they are doing is they're cleaning up the sand what they have got it. I think we bought some 6 or 7. It's been a year, so I can't just remember, but I think 6 or 7 is something we have used. They like playing with the sand as well, so we are using the sand. So whichever fish we are getting based on their nature and how they like to live. So if you design that way setup, it will be really good. Even they do enjoy and they will be happy living in. Once the sand is washed for 3 to 4 times, we are filling the aquarium tank with the washed sand. We're adding up few basic accessories like artificial plants and one house kind of thing. So they're small ones. They love playing, especially parrot fishes. So you get all in one in Nanditha. So we got aquarium and the below cabinet accessories along with the fishes, fish food, medicines and everything in Nanditha. So I can only this mud yeah, I think this mud pots also we got it from there itself. So they have everything, heater and extra accessories what it is required for this aquarium. Even that as well, you get it over there. Sir is pretty knowledgeable. He will explain you which is good for you, based on your fish type and the aquarium size. So this is 3 feet. So sir, whatever he advised, based on that we took it. I don't regret it because the fishes are really good. In after a year, I'm sharing this review. So we had took 10 parrot fishes, and I'll show how they are looking now. So it's now they're filling up the water. We have used normal tap water, so we get Kaveri water. So based on your water availability, you can speak or you can research that suits the fish or not. Yeah, we'll fill up the water. If somebody is looking why I'm not sharing the price here, because you all know, like post COVID there's a lot of price differences happened, so I don't want confusion or clearly I can't give the price out as well. So that's the reason I'm not giving the price, but I am giving where I've got this all details on the screen, and description box has all the details. You can contact sir, and sir is, as I said, he's a very good person. He will definitely give you and help you giving the price and what you are looking for, complete details as well. So you can do the better choice and you can get one. So with other accessories what you are setting up with the aquarium, you also need extension box, or you have to make sure switchboard is near to your aquarium, because you have to connect your LED lights, filter, and heater. This 3 you have to, and you need that oxygen kind of motor also to be fit in. So you need that plugs to be plugged into. So you have to make sure all this switchboard is near to it. You are arrange for an extension box. 1 or 2 you may need it, because there are like 4 plugs to be plugged in. So that's one thing I had missed it, so we have to run around to get that. Many have wish to have their aquarium, garden, all those things, but they get scared how we are going to manage that. Maintenance will take our time is something everybody thinks, and they won't get that. There is a simple trick that what we follow. In coming videos I will be sharing about my aquarium, how I keep it clean, and the garden as well. So stay tuned. If you want to watch that, you should be subscribing to my channel and turning on that bell button, so that will help you to notify once I upload the video. And also there will be a certain challenges when you get any new fishes to your new home. They will go on stress, and there will be certain diseases also will be there. So how to tackle them, what I did, my experience, I will be put up in this channel. So that will help somebody who's parenting their fishes, so save their little ones from that stress, and keep them happy. The next clip you will see what are the care and medicines food we should be giving to this parrot fishes. Sir is going to give it all the information in this video.
ಇದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು
ನೈಟ್
ಓಕೆ
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಒಂದು ಇಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ, ಇಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟು ಹಿಂಗೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಹಾಕಿ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೂರು ಹಾಕಿ. ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀರು ಗಲೀಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸಂಜೆದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಏನ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀರು ಇವತ್ತು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಧ ತೆಗೆದು ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್?
ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು? ಇದು
ಅರ್ಧ ಮುಚ್ಚಳ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಅರ್ಧ ಮುಚ್ಚಳ. ಓಕೆ. ಹಾ,
ಇದು ಬಂದು 20 ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್, ಇದು 20 ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಅರ್ಧ ಮುಚ್ಚಳ, ಇದು 20 ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್, ಅದು 20 ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವಾಗ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ.
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ 6 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ಸ್.
ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ 50%.
ಸರಿ. ಅಣ್ಣ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಫಿಶ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಅದನ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು?
ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸರಿ.
Time to release them into our new aquarium. So we are welcoming them. So this is how the size when we initially got them. I'll share the video how they look right now, so after a year. So we particularly asked sir to get us the orange color, that to 10 parrot fishes. He ordered and quarantined and he got them, all are in good condition and good health and size. Sir guidance and our care helped us to enjoy the parenting of this parrot fishes, and this year I got Floran. You are already, that video is up in the channel. If you are not watched, go back and watch them. From the scratch we set up the aquarium and as well the fish and everything, all the details are there. So at least in a day I tried spending like 15 to 10 minutes with these fishes, like speaking to them, interacting with them. We have created some kind of bond. So whenever I walk near to aquarium, I can see they're rushing up and coming and speaking to me. I feel that. So now presently they look like this. They, after a year, they had laid eggs as well. For parrot fishes, especially parrot fishes, it is difficult process to eggs to get hatched. They have difficulty in that, but next time, like I've gathered few knowledge now, so next time if it gives a egg successfully, we will try and hatch them. So I am waiting for baby parrot fishes, so I will share them as well if I successfully do that. So here is the clips I'll add when they have laid eggs and what they look like now. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay connected to my channel. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the whole video. If you did, comment me and let me know. So I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself and loved ones, and keep your loved ones very closely. Happy parenting. See you then. Bye bye.